In this video we are going to see what are the tools and IDE must needed for develop agentic AI applications. As we know, mostly we are going to see the familiar tools what you are going to develop any applications. So let us see the tools, what are the things we needed for develop agentic application. This is the site. I keep all the informations at one place, so we will see now. So I am going to see for Windows applications. So when we go and see from Windows I, we can see our processor. What is the processor I have? If it's have ARM based processor, this means it will comes under ARM chip. It will if it's x64 base processor, it comes under AMD. So first we need to make sure the Python is installed or not. When I click this, we will go here. It will show here the latest Python version. So we need to install and check everything is installed or not. After I installed already, so after install you can see the we can make sure Python version. When you see, you can see the latest version about the Python is installed or not. Okay, just you need to download and next click and install. After that you need to make sure if you are going to create the virtual environment using Conda, we can use Conda, or if you need to use normal Python, we can use normal Python for creating the environment. If you are planning to use UV, the recent installer, it's very fast than other environment to create in the IDE. So if you need to plan to use Conda environment, you can go here and download the free version and install. Then if to make sure it's working here, Conda version, so it will show the recent version of the Conda. We can then you need to make sure you install the GitHub. So GitHub mostly from git install download. So make sure you can download the latest git version for version control. After that, this is the regarding the environment. Then we will see the IDE which are going to use. So IDE is Visual Studio VS Code. Just download and install. After that, then if you plan to use for cursor, we can use cursor for the Windows, but it's a paid one. And if you need to use for example, if you don't have the Windows or anything, I will use only for the I will use online IDE, means we can use lighting. This we can just open the browser and we can start to use develop and deploy. We can use this. And Docker, we are going to develop agentic application, we need to create Docker files container, then we need to deploy it in any cloud environment mostly. So we need to make sure the Docker is installed or not. So we need just download here. After download, just click then install. After install Docker, we need to make sure we need to make sure this install WSL. We need to install this package WSL install. If it's already installed, we need to update the package. After that, we need to make sure this install Python Postman to test the API, because we are going to create more tools and for the rack also we are going to use APIs, we are going to use connect more tools tools with our agentic application. For that we need to use a postman to test our APIs. So then after that we can use for agentic development environment, we can use wrap. We just download um, this for Windows version, and we can just using the normal language we can use this wrap. Then for CLI, once we create the agentic application, we need to deploy this agentic application into the cloud. We can use any Google Cloud, say CLI. Install Google Cloud CLI, we can download here, this one here. Once download, we will install the execution file by next. Okay, after we can download the CLI from here for Google. Then for Amazon, we can download the AWS CLI from here. Just download we can Amazon, we can for Linux here available, Mac OS available, Windows available. Just download from here and install. For UI, as I said, UI package manager, the latest one is very fast to download the dependency. You can download this and use in application. So these are the example and commands what you're going to use in the developing agentic applications. So you can see all the commands here, environment, everything you can see from here. So these are the commands what you're going to use in our agentic application to create the environment, to activate, deactivate, everything. You can refer from here to use an IDE to use environment. Okay, please refer this page to install all the required tools. These are tools must needed for our development. So keep this page as a bookmark or for reference. It's not mandatory to maintain this. This is we keep at one place for future reference. Thank you. I will keep this site link in the description. Please use from there. Thank you.